Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.